Myself, Dr. Bhavana Agrawal. Today we are going to discuss a topic, linear differential equation. This is one of the method of solving first order, first degree differential equation. First order linear differential equation. An equation is said to be first order linear differential equation if dependent variable and its differential coefficients occur only in first degree. For example, dy by dx plus 5y equals to 4. This equation is first order linear differential equation because dy by dx is of order 1 even degree is 1. But in second example, we are having equation dy by dx whole square plus 4y equals to 0. This is not first order linear differential equation even if dy by dx is of order 1 but degree is 2. Now take a linear differential equation which is also known as Leibniz equation. If the given problem is in a form linear differential equation, the standard form of it is dy by dx plus py equals to q. Here some conditions must be there for linear differential equation. Coefficient of dy by dx must be 1 and right hand side must be function of x or constant. P coefficient of a dependent variable y from second term and q must be the value equal to right hand side and p and q must be the function of x only. As we know, here two variables are being used, y and x. Y is dependent on x. It may change, but we'll discuss it later on. If a given equation is standard form, then value of integrating factor I dot f will be equal to integral of p dx. Then the solution is given by dependent variable dv. It is not dv, it is dependent variable into integrating factor equals to integral of q into integrating factor dx plus of c. Here dependent variable is y. Use y here into integrating factor equals to integral of q into integrating factor integral with respect to dx plus of c. Now substitute the value of I dot f from above, that is e raised to power integral of p dx equals to integral of q, value of I dot f here e raised to power integral of p dx whole integration with respect to dx only with some constant. Next, if a given equation is in this form where x is dependent and y is independent, then the standard form of linear differential equation would be like this: dx by dy plus px equals to q. But the condition must be same, that is dx by dy coefficient must be equal to 1 and p and q must be the function of y only. Here we are using two variables x and y. X is dependent and y is independent. Then integrating factor I dot f equals to e to the power integral of p dy. Then the final solution is given by dependent variable, that is x, into I dot f equals to integral of q into I dot f integration with respect to dy plus of c. Substitute the value of I dot f here, that is e to the power p dy equals to integral of q e to the power integration of p dy integration with respect to dy with some constant c. Thank you.